Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful shawl. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This shawl looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. To do the shawl, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. So if you see here, this is the back side of the shawl and this is the front side. It is beginner friendly project. So now let's see how to do this beautiful shawl. Start with slip knot. The foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the shawl you are going to do. If you see, this shawl is done lengthwise. If you want, you can also do them in breadthwise as well. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. So the foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the length of the shawl you are going to do. After doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. Next, we are going to work on the third loop of this chain. So this V shape is the chain. This is the front loop. This is the back loop. If you turn the work, you can see a bump like structure here. This is what we say it as the third loop. So for this round, we'll be working on this third loop. So turn your work. You're going to do single crochet on this loop. So you'll insert the hook in this loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. So next stitch, you'll see a bump like structure here. Insert the hook in this loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next two loops. So likewise, you're going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. So you are going to do single crochet in this third loop. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. We'll skip this first stitch since we have done the chain 3 on this first stitch. For this row, we are going to work on this back loop. So in this chain, this will be the back loop. So we'll be working on the back loops. So insert the hook in the next stitch in the back loops. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So do a slip stitch. Do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch in the next stitch by taking the back loops. Back loop, you are going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch in the back loop in the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch by taking the back loop of the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So you have to follow them till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1. So turn your work. If you see here, this is the loop which we left in the previous round. So this is the front loop. So we are going to work on the front loops. We'll be doing single crochet on this front loop. For this round, you are doing single crochet on the front loop. We have to do them till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, so now onwards, we are going to repeat these two rows. One row is a chain row and one row is the single crochet row. This chain row will be working on the back loop and single crochet row will be working on the front loop. So do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. You'll skip the first stitch and in the next stitch, you're going to do a slip stitch by taking only the back loops. Chain 3 and do a slip stitch by taking the back loop. Next chain 3, do slip stitch by taking the back loops. So you have to continue them till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We'll be doing single crochet by taking the front loop which we left in the previous round. So likewise, we'll be doing single crochet in the front loop till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. So now you can see how the stitch looks. So it is very easy to do. You have to follow this 2 rows to get this beautiful stitch pattern. After doing them till the required size, the shawl looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.